Hello guys, welcome to my channel BennyFX, and in today's video we'll be looking at how to enter a trade on MetaTrader4 MT4, and we'll be looking at the mobile version and also the desktop version for clarity's sake. And in case you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a new video. Alright, if you want to enter a trade on MT4, this is how we do it. So you click on this the trade button, then now this is where we're going to enter a trade. You can see Euro and NZD. So that this instant execution, and this we have our sell, our buy, and we can also change our lot size. So now let's change this lot size to 10 lots. Now click it. So that is how to edit your lot size, and you can also click the button to your left or to your right to add or minus the point, the lot size. So but in this video we are going to do a 10 lot size trade. So that's just how to increase or reduce your lot size. So now this is a 10 lot size, and we'll click on to check the spread. This is 34.45 spread. Then we'll click on the sell button. Then we accept that. Then that is it. So we'll click the trade button to see our trade running. Now click on the trade button. Now this is the trade we are into now, and this is it. Is still running. Yeah, we are in negative $681, because in every trade we enter we must start from a negative position, so it's normal. So our balance is $100,000. That's what we started on this demo account. Then the equity said $99,324. Yeah, and the equity also changes constantly as the price also changes. Also, then that's the equity. Then the equity is just what we have when we close the trade immediately. Then the margin is 11,017. What the margin means is that with this amount of risk on the table, with these 10 lots, we can only get out of the trade when we get down to $11,000. That's when the broker will take us out of the trade. Doesn't matter if we reach our stop loss or not, so it will definitely take us out of the trade. Then the free margin means what we have on ground. That is how long we can go before we can hit our margin. That's how much more negative we can go before we can get to the margin, the $11,000. So that is how it is. So the trade Euro New Zealand is still negative. So that is how to enter a trade on MT4 on a mobile version. So that is it. So I think now we'll be looking at how to enter a trade on the desktop version of MT4. So that is it. Before then, the stop loss, no stop loss now, no take profit, because it's on instant execution. So that is it. So that is it. So now let's go to the mobile version and desktop version now rather. So we are in a desktop version. If we want to enter a trade, so at this place we see the sell and the buy button at the top left of our screen. So we can adjust the lot size by clicking on those arrows, or we can just click on it manually and then type the lot size we want. So that is it. So those buttons are instant execution. It means when we hit the buttons, we are going into the straight away. So now we just click the buy trade now. So we are in a buy trade now. So, and there's another way we can also do it. Also, we can just click on that arrow then to bring us to this place. Then we see Euro JPY. Then if we want to enter another trade on instant execution, we'll just click on the sub. Now we are in this sell trade, so we have a buy and a sell trade running together. So that is how to enter a trade on MT4. Feel free to drop your comment and also like the video.